Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a run deal at Walgreens. I'm going to show y'all how you can get some free Axe and some really cheap Dove products. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so I just left Walgreens. We are in the car. I am hanging over my front seat. The audio is going to be terrible in this video, but this is a run deal and I have to just do it and get this video out there to you all so that you guys can get in on this deal as well. So, go ahead and put on your shoes, grab your purse, grab your keys. I'm going to tell you what y'all need to do. But first, I do need to give a big shout out and thank you to Michelle from It's My Own Identity. She posted a video last night. She did a little live. So if you guys are not already subscribed to her YouTube channel, you need to make sure that you head on over there. Watch her video as well. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications. Do all of the things. Hit the thumbs up button because she posted this deal last night. Now, I went into Walgreens and did a little bit of an extra thing. But we're gonna go over everything. All right, so again, all of her information and her video will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below, so do not forget to go over there and hit that subscribe button. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this deal. My entire back seat is full of gift sets. So if you all did not know, most of the stores right now have all of their Christmas clearance at 50% off. I know that Hobby Lobby is sitting at 75% off, but they will change here pretty soon down to 80%, I believe, or 85% off. But most of the stores, Walmart, DG, Walgreens, CVS, a lot of stores are at least at 50% off right now. So if you have anything that you want to pick up for next year, I would definitely go out and grab it at 50% off. And then maybe on some of the other stuff, you know, that we don't really need, but we might pick up at a really good deal, I would wait until next week. A lot of these stores will go down to 75, 80, and 90% off. So, be on the lookout for some really cheap, awesome deals over the next few weeks. Now, last night I did a little snooping around and I did find a really awesome article that kind of talks about the Christmas clearance and provides kind of a tentative schedule for dates on different stores. So I will be posting that information over on Instagram. If you're not following me over there, it is at Craz-E Coupons. And I will also be posting that in the community tab later on today. So stores like CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michaels, I believe even Home Depot, Macy's, a lot of information. So you guys be on the lookout for that. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this deal because I know you guys already have on your shoes and you have grabbed your purse and you are ready to go. All right. So what you want to do is head on out to your local Walgreens. You're going to go into the store and you are going to look for gift sets. All the gift sets, again, 50% off. So you want to be on the lookout for the Axe and the Dove gift sets. These were originally $10 each. They are now at $5 each. So even if you just pick them up without any coupons whatsoever, it's a really good deal. You're getting the body wash and the deodorant for the Dove, and then you're getting the deodorant and the body spray for the Axe sets, all right? But this deal gets even better. So we're going to start off with the Dove Men Plus Care. Now you can pick up the green or the blue, I believe. My store only had the green left, and they only had about 7 or 8, I believe. I did clear the shelves, all right, because Michelle did post this video last night, so, you know, the other couponers had plenty of time to get in on this deal. And actually, while I was standing there checking out, the cashier did say that she had already picked up about 10 gift sets, and then another couponer had been in. She did pick up some, but she did leave some on the shelf, so I was very, very happy about that. So I picked up, I believe, about 8 Dove Men Plus Care gift sets. Now, for this deal, it's really going to depend on how your employees are at your stores. If you have some really cool cashiers, this is going to go very, very smoothly for you. If your cashiers are a little bit more strict, it's still going to go smoothly for you. You're just going to have to purchase the first one, all right, out of pocket, or with using Walgreens Cash or Register Rewards. So at my store, I had to purchase the first Dove Men Plus Care gift set at $5. I used Walgreens cash to pay, so nothing coming out of pocket except for taxes. When you purchase your first one, you want to open it up and grab your coupon out of that box. So right here, we have a coupon that comes with this gift set. It is $2 off any one Dove Men Plus Care item. All right, it does expire December the 31st, so you don't want to hang on to these. Go ahead and use them while we have some really good deals on gift sets. All right, so purchase the first one, use Walgreens cash, register rewards, or just pay the $5. Open it up, grab that coupon, and then you're going to use that coupon on the next Dove Men Plus Care gift set. So you're going to have to do a lot of small transactions unless your store is cool and you have cool cashiers. They may go ahead and let you open them all up, grab the coupons out of there, and do it all in one whack. It really just depends on your store. However, if they want to be butts about it, go ahead and purchase the first one. Then they really can't say anything about it. You're grabbing the coupon and you're using it on your next product. All right, so there you go. With that $2 coupon, you're going to pay $3 for each Dove Men Plus Care gift set. So that works out to be $1.50 per product. Really, really awesome deal. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and talk about the Axe deal. All right, so what you want to do is look for the Axe gift sets. Again, those were originally $10. Right now they are $5. You're going to pick up the deodorant and the body spray. I picked up the Phoenix. They had the Phoenix at my store, the Phoenix scent, as well as the Apollo scent. So the blue or the green. Both boxes, both gift sets have coupons inside. And if you notice right there, it does say that on the front of the box. Get free Axe with the coupon inside. So again, same thing. What are we going to do? If you have cool employees, cool cashiers, you're going to go in. You can do up to 4 gift sets in a transaction. So you can grab 4 gift sets, go ahead and open them up, grab the coupon that is inside, and that coupon looks like this right here. So it is a free Axe product. It does expire on January the 31st. So again, go ahead and use them while we have these really good deals. But it's a max value of $6.50, and these are only $5, so that's going to make it completely free. All right. So if you have cool cashiers, go ahead and grab 4. Go ahead and open them up. Grab 4 of those coupons out. Go up to the register. Have the cashier ring them up. Use those 4 coupons, and you're just going to pay tax out of pocket. I believe mine was $1.38. Go ahead and type in your number as well, because on each of those transactions, you're going to get 20 cents back. So 5 cents per gift set. And that also goes for the Dove as well. All right. Now, again, if your cashiers are a little bit more strict, mine actually told me, she said, well, we've kind of already been warned about this. So you have to purchase one of the gift sets first. Then you can open it, grab the coupon out, and use that coupon on the next gift set. All right, so you can do that, one at a time. My store, I think I ended up with almost 70 gift sets, and there's a lot of the Axe. So what I decided to do was I went ahead and picked up 4. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay, so I just paid tax, and then I got out all of the 4 coupons, and then I put 4 more gift sets up at the register. She rang those up, and I used those 4 coupons to pay for those 4 gift sets. And then once I had purchased those and paid the tax, I opened up the next 4, and so on and so forth. But again, you can do these 1 at a time. You can do them 4 at a time. You can do them 1 at a time, 2 at a time, 3 at a time, or 4 at a time. But 4 is your max, I do believe. If anybody has tried more than 4 in one transaction, please let me know down in the comment section below. But there you have it, guys. $3 Dove gift sets and completely free Axe gift sets. You're only paying tax on the Axe. Again, you're getting back 5 cents in Walgreens cash for every gift set that you purchase. And then you can also scan your receipts into Fetch Rewards as well. So if you're not already signed up for Fetch Rewards, I'm going to pop up my referral code, which is on the screen here, as well as down in the description box below. And if you use my referral code, you are going to get a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. So make sure that y'all do that. And this could possibly turn into a little bit of a moneymaker for you. Now, there is one more thing that I wanted to mention because my awesome friend who went out and did this deal last night, she did 4 per transaction as well. And on your account, I want you to double check, but some of us received a booster for when you make 6 purchases of $20 or more, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash or $7 in Walgreens cash. You know, those monthly boosters that we get that last all month long. So just keep that in mind. Double check to see if you have that on your account, because if you do 4 at a time, that is a $20 transaction. She received back, I'm not quite sure what her booster was for, but because she did so many $20 transactions, she eventually met that spin booster amount and she received back $7 in Walgreens cash. So again, just double check your accounts, make sure that you're checking your receipts, and do not forget to type in your phone number when you go up to the register. All right, guys, so there you have it. Good luck, everybody. Please don't forget to come back and let me know if you score, or maybe you've already done this deal. Please let me know down in the comment section below. And before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.